Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. It's that time of year again. COVID kinda ruined last year's car season. It's kinda ruining this car season too, kinda, because a lot of stuff's not open. It's not a lot of shows that were scheduled. Even the Washington DC Auto Show is canceled. So yeah, Meguiars though, sponsoring me again. So the sponsorship process is really easy. I'm going to put a link in the video description of where to go. Pretty sure you can still actually request to be sponsored right now, but you have to have, you know, a show car or like a rare car or something worthy of the Meguiars name. They're awesome even for your daily. I love them. I love that I'm sponsored by them because, well, I just love Meguiar's products. And I've been using them since I was first driving cars, actually on my parents' car, and washing their car. And oh my god, this is a really big box in a box. This year, this looks like it came and it doesn't look like it's damaged or leaking, but this is the Meguiars new products 2020 box. So this is a really big box. Let me bring that a little bit closer for you to see. This is a really big box. Check that out. Oh my goodness gracious. And then it has all of these new products in there, if you can see that. Check that out. Hopefully, let's see what is, oh man, let's see what's in this. Because it is a lot of stuff, as always. They always send a lot of stuff. This is what I love about Meguiars. They care about the car community. I care about the car community. So you have their awesome soft towels. Sit this over here. I'm gonna just put everything in the box next to me. More soft towels. It's probably like a dozen soft towels. You have your buffing pad. I don't know if that's considered a buffing or polishing pad. It's good for applying all your different products. This is what I love, is their new hybrid ceramic. So they have a hybrid ceramic wax, hybrid ceramic everything. You have your citrus power cleaning. This stuff works amazing on cleaning your engine bay, cleaning, what do you call that, your heat exchangers, or you know, your heat exchanger, stuff like that. Anything that gets your oil coolers, spray that down. If like you see you got an oil leak or something like that, spray that down on it. It gets rid of all that oil and gunk really well. Then you have your Meguiar's leather detailer. This works awesome in my 370Z, as well as my Supra. They both have leather seating. Then you have your ceramic detailer, which this is definitely newer. I think they did this last year as well, and I used this for a little bit, but I'm not positive. I know I used all the ceramic products on my Supra at some point. And then you have this amazing kit right here, which is the hybrid ceramic quick clay kit. Smooth and protects paint in one step. Hybrid ceramic detailer adds protection, synthetic clay pads, smooths paint. So it comes with like everything you need to detail your car, all in one kit, which is great for me. Quick, easy, used on my wife's cars, my car. But this big kit is everything that you need to detail your car. Then, if I can fit everything back in here, then I also have this other box. And this other box, I have no idea what's in it. So let's scoot this back, because it is a big box. They sometimes send 2 shipments a year. You really never know what they're gonna send. It's like every year I get like wash mitts and towels and sure enough, and they send like tons and tons and tons of bottles of stuff. So you have, like I said, a wash mitt, more and more and more. You can never have, I honestly can say that you can never have enough towels. I go through towels like crazy, and sometimes I ruin the towels. Even washing them out, they're just done. Because I clean everything. And then you have all these pads, which I have a buffer, so I don't use these as much, but these are great for applying wax and applying like detailer and stuff like that. Set that there. And then, yeah, and more towels. These are awesome at drying. I love these things because they dry your car off fairly easily, and they're soft so they don't damage it. Then you have your metal polish for your wheels. So I don't know if I don't need this much. I use this actually on my exhaust tips and stuff like that. My wheels are ceramic coated, so I don't have to worry about it. And then my Supra, they're black, so I don't need to polish black, obviously. So the next thing is the Ultimate Wash and Wax. 2 bottles of the Ultimate Wash and Wax, because, well, I use that usually on my wife's vehicle because it's just easy wash and the wax is already on there, so you have a nice coat, so like you don't have to clean it as much, and it's quicker. I don't have to sit there and detail her entire car. I know, call me lazy. Then you have, I know, the Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. 3 bottles of it, which I don't think I need 3 bottles of it, but then the Ultimate Compound. Yeah, waterless wax. Oh, wrong way. Yeah. And then I have 2 bottles of windshield glass cleaner, which these work amazing. Crystal clear glass, great. Then you have the interior detailer cleaner. I'm so glad they send these because these work so great inside your car for like all your little plastic pieces and stuff like that. Then you have your interior detail cleaner, bottle 2. And then you have your waterless wheel and tire cleaner, 2 bottles of it. These I use on my cars and the wheels, and it gets all the grime off of it. You just spray it on there, leave it on there for a couple minutes, and then just rinse it right off. You just see all the stuff come off of it. Then you have another Meguiar's one-step paint care, 3-in-1 wax, clean, polish, and protect. Ooh, all in one? So it's like another kit that comes with all the like everything that you need. If it'll focus, everything that you need, all in one. So that's a lot of stuff. But that's what you could get if you have your car and you go to car shows and stuff like that. You can get sponsored. You can try, and you most likely, I don't know, if you have a nice car, you'll get sponsored. I don't see why they wouldn't. But, you know, don't take my word for it. Just try and see what happens. But also, if you don't, Meguiar's products are amazing. They work well, they last, they've been around for generations. And yeah, thank you for watching. I just want to show you guys all my products that I got from my Meguiars. And this is year 3 or 4 now that every year I get this stuff. But thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. And check out whatever other YouTube videos I have. I have like 500 of them. But check out whatever they recommend to you right here. And take care. Bye.